Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap on this. Now scroll down in order to find the security. Let's enter. Scroll down to find encryption and credentials. Let's tap. So here we have to tap on clear credentials option, which is at the very bottom of the list. Let's enter and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm it. So let's tap, and as you can see here, we've got the information, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.